Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech. Everyone, I'm just using for this video my Boya microphone. It is suitable for YouTubing, and if you wanna buy this microphone, this microphone name is Boya M1, and I'll give the link, buy link from Amazon. So click the link and buy this microphone for your best YouTubing recording video. Best microphone in cheap price. Thank you very much. Go to the link under this video and buy this microphone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech Master BD. I'm Salman Rahman and you are watching my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to verify your Facebook page in an official way. Okay, this is the one way which is the legal way. Okay, so let's get started with the video. First of all, open your browser. Okay, then search in Facebook verify page officially. Okay, so then click here. Okay, then this is the option. How do I request a verified badge on Facebook? Okay, so click here. Then you'll have to read this. How do I request a verified badge on Facebook? The verified badge blue tick appears next to a Facebook page or account's name in search and on the profile. Okay, it means Facebook has confirmed that an account is the authentic presence of the public figure, okay, celebrity or global brand it represents. So you have to understand, if you have like product or any kind of brand and you are a public figure, celebrity, then you will get the badge. Okay, verified badge. Now I think you understand. Okay, what are the requirements to apply for verified badges? Okay, just we look at a number of factors when we evaluating Facebook accounts to determine if they are in the public interest and meet our verification criteria. Okay, so in addition to following Facebook terms of service, your account will needs to be, okay, then authentic. Your account must represent a real person, registered business or entity. By the way, you have to be a real person. Okay, first of all. Okay, if you're a fake page or fake profile, then you won't get a verified page. Okay, so then unique. Your account must be the unique presence of the person or business it represents. Okay, only one account per person or business may be verified. On account you can verify one account, with exceptions or language specific accounts. Okay, we don't verify general interest accounts. Example, puppies, memes. Just read this line attentively. We don't verify general interest accounts. Okay, so general interest account, they won't get verifications. Okay, so after that, puppies, memes. Okay, so complete. Your account must be active. Okay, you have to be active on your Facebook page and have an adult section. Okay, profile photo and at least one post. Okay, profile photo and at least one photo. You will have a profile photo, okay, and at least one post for this verification process. Notable, your account must represent a well-known, okay, often such person, brand or entity. We review accounts that are featured in multiple news sources. Okay, and we don't consider paid or promotional contents as source for review. Okay, then I think you understand the criteria. Okay, then we will submit a verification form. How do I request? Then go to this. How do I request a verified page? Okay, I'll make a for a video. Okay, for more Android users, okay, or mobile users, you can submit a request by filling out a contract form. Click here, then you will get this page and it will appear. Then request a blue verification badge. Okay, then scroll down. Verified page or face profile has a blue check mark. Okay, next to its name. Okay, keep in mind that verified badges are for well-known, okay, often search pages. Okay, you have to be popular person. Your band will be a popular product, and I think not all public figures. Okay, not for all public figures. Okay, celebrities and global bands on Facebook have one. Celebrities and global bands on Facebook have one. Okay, then I think you all understand this. Verification type. Here we will also verify your Facebook profile also. Okay, if you wanna verify your page, then click page. If you wanna verify your profile, and then click profile. Okay, so verify page. So if you would like to verify a page, please select from the drop down below. Okay, so I have a page. Okay, I have a page, a Techmaster BD. Okay, then select a category for the page or profile. Okay, sports. What is your category for your page? What is your category? Like news, media, sports, government and politics, music, fashion, entertainment, digital creator, blogger, influencer, gamer, global business, brand, organization, and others. Okay, then I'll have to choose a digital creator. Okay, then blogger, influencer. Okay, which country is this entity from? Okay, which country? Enter a country name. I'm from Bangladesh, that's why Bangladesh. If you live in America, US, the United Kingdom, India, then you'll keep your country name in this box. Okay, please attach a photo of your NID. Okay, here you have to read it. We require at least one of following official documents in order to review a request if your account represents a person. Okay, a government issued photo ID that shows your name and date of birth, driver's license or passport. Okay, also submit your driving license and passport also. If your account represents something other than a person, provide a document with an official seal, trademark of your organization. If you have a page which is related a brand, then you'll have to provide an official seal, watermark of your organizations. Okay, your organization's photo or utility bill. Okay, a certificate of formation, article of incorporation. Okay, tax or tax. Other you can just add this process, and this is for only for like brand pages. Okay, and this requirements is for persons. Okay, this only this. Okay, then I will submit my documents. Okay, like this. Okay, then please share why this page or profile should be verified. List other social media presence account option, additional comments option. Okay, then will give me guys, what is your own description or your own comments you can share here. Okay, this is my own, and we don't need to be write this in your should be verified box. Okay, so then finish, then click send. Okay, after the sending this, okay, I already have verified my page. Okay, I already have submitted. That's why I don't wanna send this. Okay, so this is the process how to verify your page. I'm gonna show how to verify your Facebook profile by officially. It's video related to the Facebook profile verification, not for page verifications. So let's get started the video. So first of all, open your browser, whatever you have used. Okay, so like search here Facebook verification profile officially. Okay, officially for blue badges. Okay, here it is. Do I request a verified? Okay, so guys, loading. Here is the option, like the verified badges appears next to Facebook page or account's name in search and on the profile. It means Facebook has confirmed that an account is the authentic presence of the public figure, celebrity or global brand represents. Okay, what are the requirements to apply for a verified page? Here is the some authentic. Your account must be represent a real person. Okay, registered business or entity, no need. Okay, so unique. Your account must be the unique presence of the person or business it represents. Only one account per person or business may be verified. Okay, with expectations for language specific accounts. We don't verify general interest accounts. Okay, so complete. Your account must be active and have an about section. Okay, profile photo and at least one post. Notable, your account must be represented well-known, often search person, brand or entity. We review accounts that are featured in multiple news resources, and we don't consider paid or promotional content as resource for review. Okay, so how do I request? This is the option, verified page or badge. Okay, so yeah, so here is the form. Request a blue verifications badge. A verified page or profile has a blue check mark next to its name. Keep in mind that verified page are then a verified page or profile has a blue check mark next to its name. Keep in mind that verified badges are for well-known. Okay, keep this line. Keep in mind that verified pages are for well-known. Okay, like public figures, celebrities, maybe. Often searched pages and profiles. Mostly searched pages, mostly traffic. Okay, which gain mostly traffic from online or browse unique. Okay, unique views, unique search, that's call it. Now, not all public figures, not for all public figures, okay, for like well-known public figures. You have a lots of subscriber and you are not a public figure, you can get a verified mark or verified Facebook profile page. But celebrities and global brands on Facebook have one. Celebrities and global brands, okay, they will get it. Okay. Verification type, okay, here you have to choose this, okay. Then select page to verify. If you would like to verify, no, you have to choose this profile, okay. So first one page, the second one profile. Provide your Facebook profile link. Like you have to give your Facebook profile link here. Okay, then I'll show you. Yeah guys, now okay, then if you would like to verify your profile, please provide its URL. No, you can only submit your profile. Okay, select your country. Okay, let me choose. Okay, here, and let's copy this link and give it here and select a category for the page or profile: sports, government and politician, music, fashion, entertainment, gamer, global, business, brand, organization. No. If you are a celebrity, then you have to select this. If you are a musician, this. If you are a politician, government politician, then select this. Sportsman, like whatever, cricketers, footballers, Messi, Ronaldo, like Mustafi, Virat Kohli, whatever. Fashions, if you are a fashion designer, popular, then choose this. Digital creator, blogger, influencer. If you are a digital creator, blogger, influencer, if you are a YouTuber, famous YouTuber, influencer, or like digital creator, then select this. I'll select this. Gamer, if you are a famous gamer, then select this. Global business, brand, organization, you are a brand ambassador, you are CEO of any kind of brand, then select this. Okay, then I'm gonna select this. Okay, which country? Yes. Okay, now please attach a photo of your ID. You have to submit your NID card here. Okay, we require at least one of the following official documents in order to review your request. Okay, so if your account represent a person, okay, then government issued photo ID that shows your name and date of birth, driver's license or passport. Okay, then you have to submit your government voter ID card here, or your your driving license or your passport, both of sides. Okay, scan your documents and then submit here, both of side, front side and back side. Okay, then whether like I choose my photo, just for example, you will have to submit your own voter ID card here. Okay, already I have submitted for my account and it will under processing. Then now just take this. Okay, then share yours. Okay, please refresh. Okay, Then write here, please share why this Facebook page or profile should be verified. Then write like, I need verified. Two thousand 10, I think, for my personal need badly. Yes. Just after the completing this section, then submit, send here. Okay, click send here. Thank you very much for watching. This is the process how to verify your Facebook profile. Okay, so lots of viewers commented me on that make a video on these topics. So thank you very much for watching.